There's my bedroom window. There's a couple of them. So, if y'all never... Here we go, hold on. Yeah, hey, hold on. If you never had heard of their troop of howler monkeys perch out in front of your fucking bed. There's I'll have one more shout out for you. You're not gonna get... Yeah, getting any clarity this morning's not gonna happen. As you can see, it's overcast. I think it's about 4:30 in the fucking morning, too. So anyways, that's what it sounds like. You have howler monkeys perch outside your window. Oh shit, there's a whole bunch of them right up here, I think. Yeah, there's like 5 of them. But yesterday evening when sun was going down, I see the treetops going and they're just shimmying up this tree like frickin'. Okay, have a good morning.